Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a freelance career with Fiverr, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start a freelance career with Fiverr, begin by defining your skills and services. Identify what you are passionate about and what you excel in. Consider services such as graphic design, writing, programming, or digital marketing. Once you have a clear idea of your offerings, create a Fiverr account. Visit the Fiverr website and sign up using your email or social media accounts. After registration, you will set up your seller profile. Choose a professional and clear profile picture to make a good first impression. Write a compelling bio that highlights your skills and experience. Make sure to communicate your unique value proposition. Next, create your first gig. Click on the Selling tab and select Gigs. Fill in the necessary details, including gig title, description, and category. Use clear language and focus on the benefits your service provides to potential buyers. Set your pricing based on market research and your experience level. Consider offering tiered packages with varying levels of service. Include relevant tags to help buyers find your gig easily. Next, craft an eye-catching gig image. Use high-quality visuals that clearly represent your service. Once your gig is created, promote it to enhance visibility. Share your Fiverr gig on social media platforms and professional networks. Engage in relevant online communities to showcase your expertise. Respond promptly to inquiries from potential buyers. Provide excellent customer service to build a positive reputation. Once you start receiving orders, deliver high-quality work consistently. Communicate throughout the process to manage client expectations. Request feedback after completing each order to strengthen your profile. As you gain experience and positive reviews, consider expanding your service offerings. Stay updated on market trends and continuously improve your skills. This will help you remain competitive on the platform. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.